So, this is the current state of our kitchen ceiling here. It's supposed to be flattened. The workman did this today. As you can see, it's already starting to crack all the way along. Okay, here comes the back door. Again, they've not actually sealed the top of the door, as you can see there. Again, go round into the corner there. They actually smashed it, were hammering into it and put a hole in the wall. Okay, now we come back to just where the light fitting is. We go up here. You can see where the roof was starting to split down the line. Goes all the way across there, and then if we scroll back the other way, goes up to above the cupboards. Now, ladies and gentlemen, tell me this: does this look like good craftsmanship? Because I don't think it does. I think this is shoddy. Believe it or not, the people who are supposed to be sorting this out are going to be coming back next week, probably about a Wednesday. So this is taken on Friday evening. This was done this morning. So let me know your thoughts.